Hello, I'm Jess and I have decided to nominate Lauren Holmes for recognition of her dedication to YEPS as a part-time member of staff. So I first met Lauren actually before I was a YEPS staff member, and we completed our level 3 together with the Adult Learning Wales. Lauren was really friendly. She was very familiar with the procedures. She was the first of the group to suggest that we do a WhatsApp group so we could all help each other and keep in contact. It soon became apparent that it wasn't the first time that Lauren had completed the course. So Lauren had attempted level 3 4 times before I met her on the level 3 course. So she completed it. She'd done it after all the hard work. She was planning a wedding. She was working full time alongside her part-time job for YEPS as well. And she'd done it and completed. But it was short-lived because unfortunately, the version of the level 2 she had done previously meant that her level 3 couldn't be certified. So she had to do the level 2 again. So Lauren has just completed the level 2 for the second time. So now her level 3 is certified, and I think she's done absolutely amazing. So Lauren, it's been an absolute pleasure working with you. You've worked your bum off to get your level 3 and your level 2 again. And I think the dedication you show to YEPS and the young people you support is amazing. Always so friendly, always so welcoming to everybody new that you meet. And I hope to work together again soon. So yeah, good luck Lauren in the future and well done.